a good time over here. It's funny in hindsight, but not very funny in the moment. So before, I would often come out of the shower, and because it's freezing cold, you were in a race with time and the cold to get dried and clothed as quickly as humanly possible. How was it for you here?
It's exactly the same, and like with wet hair as well. For me, that's not a problem that you
it is here.
But now this little tiny thing pushes out so much heat so quickly. I was joking this morning that I probably could have just stood underneath it and dried my hair that way. It was so good because it's also got the drying function, which has been helping with our towels, because every person in Melbourne especially, your towel does not dry in between uses, but now it does, which is great. Plus, we dry our gym gear in here as well. That's dry and not smelly the next day.
Yeah, and that's the antibacterial properties as well. So it sops up any smells that you might get from our sweaty workouts. Nowadays, I will get out of the shower and just sort of stand and bask in the warmth of this bathroom.
And I can also see myself in the mirror after I get out of the shower, instead of, having to wipe it down several times and it refogs up and you wipe it down again. Yeah, none of that anymore either. I also really like that it doesn't look like a normal exhaust fan. It's almost architectural.
One of the features that we're very excited about using is the cool breeze function. So if I'm coming home after the gym, I'm covered in sweat, I want to have a quick shower, and then instead of coming into a hot bathroom, you're going to come into a nice cool breeze.
Not going to sweat again.
No sweats.